Welcome to Mrs. Bam's Study Notes. The topic that we are looking at today is roles within a group. First, we have the task role. A task role and the behavior of someone who fulfills this role contributes to the group's effort to reach a goal or for a specific purpose. Task role behavior include, but are not limited to, proposing goals, giving information, and committing to action. Next, we have maintenance roles. The function of this role is to create and maintain social cohesion and to maintain the needs of the group. This is in the sense of supporting members, releasing tension, bringing people together, and influencing the behavior of the group. Next, we have the individual role. The people fulfilling this role divert the attention from the task to themselves. It is a self-centered role that includes behaviors that is aggressive towards members, blocking and deserting the group, or frequently distracting the group in various of ways. Lastly, we have the leadership role. This is any behavior that inspires, influence and guide others to participate in a common effort. Please join me again for more of Mrs. Bam's Study Notes.